Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about this vulnerability called IDOR on this application. So here, as you can see, I'm not allowed to update anything and I can only modify the name field here. So actually I have provided the two bypasses, but the organization marked it as duplicate and they said that someone else already reported this issue. So this is the attacker's account, which is test4 at yopmail.com, and I'm gonna target the other account, which is test3. So now what I did here is I simply intercepted this uh, this save profile request in the burp suite. Due to some privacy concern, I'm hiding the name. So this is test3 is the attacker's account, and I'm gonna perform the IDOR on this test 4's account. So what I did here is I intercepted this save request in the burp suite, and here you can see I got these filled. Okay, what I did is what I observed at that time, like what happened if I add the extra field here. So what I did is I added this email field in the JSON body as visible in the POC, you can see, and I have added the email of the other user, which is test4. Okay, I intercepted the request from the test3 account and I am providing some test4's email address, and once I intercept the response for the same request, you can see that I'll be able to perform the actions on this test4's account. Actually I have provided this phone number because I was doing this bypass where I can update the other fields as well, because if you have to update the other field, you should contact the organization first. So I was already doing that, but they said that this is not high enough. So now as you can see, I modified again the email from test3 to test4 here, and once you reload the this is the test3 account. Okay, let's navigate to the test4's account. Once you reload the test4's account, you can see we were able to update the mobile number and the email here. So that's it for the POC. If you liked the video, please do subscribe our YouTube channel for the further updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.